All right, your turn to start the blunderbird. You can go as fast as you want on this one too. I don't care if you hit corn stalks. Okay, go for it. Forward.
That way?
Yeah, forward. Towards the front of the vehicle. There you go. That's how you steal cars, with a screwdriver. Come on. Well, keep trying. It's only been sitting 2 or 3 weeks. Try again. Okay. We're having a corn conundrum. It's a luxury vehicle. It's got every option. You can turn the fan off, switch the silver button, or hit the off button. There you go. Got a redneck gas can in the back seat. You're all set.
Yeah.
Off to the back 40 in the beach. You ever done a smoke show before?
No.
No? Do you know, this car's got no rear brakes. So if you put the brakes on and hit the gas, it should do a smoke show. Let's try it. Okay, just more gas. Well, that ain't no posy. Holy crap. Well, that's how you treat a Ford. I think it's a cloudy day. You're blocking the sun.
Yeah.
How was that for a first time smoke show, eh? Let me see what the tire looks like. It's probably melted. You're getting the dog happy. Yeah, it's pretty hot. Let me touch it. Holy. It's melted. You can't touch it. You know donuts attract cops, right?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, they like to eat them. Let's go. Then the cops will be happy when they come. I don't think he's ever done donuts before either. Hard to believe he's a country boy. How you gonna send the farmer a bill for plowing up his land for him? He doesn't have to do it now.